Hello friends, how you guys doing? Welcome to Jumie's channel. It's been a minute. I know, I'm sorry. I have been away and I just got back. Actually, this video is gonna be about what I did when I was away because I didn't have time or I didn't have my product where I was to be able to wash my hair, take my hair down and wash it, but I was still able to keep the moisture in my hair, which is the most important thing, because when we have our hair under these wigs, it's really important that we keep the moisture and take care of the hair underneath, because when the wigs goes out, we are only going to be left with our hair. And my priority has always been, no matter what I'm doing, I'm going to need to have moisture on my 4C hair. I'm not sure if you can relate to that. That's like my main thing. When I was leaving home, I was kind of worried, like, okay, what am I going to do? How am I going to do this? But then I've done this so many times that I was like, this is easy. I need my water and I need to be able to put some other product into it. That is very simple, and I'm gonna be able to keep moisture on my hair. So it's pretty simple, and if you want to see how I maintain my hair for a couple of weeks under the wig and what I do to keep moisture down on my hair, please continue to watch. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and support your girl. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here with me for a long time and you've been supporting my channel, I really appreciate you. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. Please make sure you click the bell button right there so you can be able to know when I upload, so you will not be missing my new uploads. Let me take out my wig. By the way, normally I would wear a stocking cap under this wig, but because I was about to show you, I just didn't do it. I have this spring bottle and I just added the bottled water, some of the bottled water in it. I have this travel size whipped shea butter mix, and I just added some of it in this little container right here, and I just took that to travel with me, and you can see how much of it that I use. I have a shower cap with me, and of course I have my hair scarf that I use at night to tie my hair. Let me show you my hair. This is post 2 weeks cornrow. It's a little bit over 2 weeks from today. But what I do is I just grab the water and I just spray. I take this out and I put water in it, like so. Put some water right there, because my edges, I don't know what it is, it gets so dry quicker. That's one of the reasons I cannot mess too much with gel for a long period of time. Make sure water get into my cornrows. Just tip it and just spray. Tip and spray. I just work it in, running my fingers like that on it. What I do after that, I grab some of my whipped shea butter mix. First of all, I deal with my edges first. Now that the edges is done, I'm just now gonna get some and put it in my palm like so. Rub it through my hand and my fingers like that, and I'm just going to apply it like so. And what I'm gonna do with my thing is I'm just gonna tuck it back in like so. So what I do after that is grab my shower cap and just put it on. I get my scarf. And I just tie my hair. And this is a voila. I go to sleep, and while I'm sleeping, my body heat kind of heat the liquid that I have in my hair and penetrates into my hair and kind of do the magic that it does. When I wake up in the morning, I just take my scarf off, take the shower cap off, and take a shower, do my normal routine, put on my wig, and then head to where I'm going. That's basically all I do, and I was able to keep the moisture in, and I didn't have no dandruff, I didn't have no problem of me that I would have faced if I did not wash my hair. I hope this video helps somebody out there. I hope it kind of make this natural hair journey easy on you in any type of way. If you enjoyed this video and if you think this video is awesome, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. Thank you very much, guys, for being here with me, and thank you for tuning in today. Love you. Mwah. Bye bye. XOXO. Bye.